So if you saw the previous video, you would know that we made this table and we saw a couple of quick tips and tricks on how to be a better Excel user. And if you didn't see it, go check it out. But in this video, I'm going to be telling you how to use or how to make a graph in Excel. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight our data set. We're going to click Insert. We're going to go over to the columns and click 2D. And right now this column chart looks horrible. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click on the column chart and we're going to do Select Data. And up here it just shows where the data is coming from, the chart data range. And so as you can see, it's in the green dotted line. It's all right here. This right here, this legend entry will just show how many bars there are on the graph, what the bars are displaying. So we can see that one bar is displaying revenue, one is displaying units sold, another is displaying price. So for right now, all I really want to see is the revenue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click price, I'm going to delete, and then click units sold, click delete again. So now we just have revenue. So now if I go over here, the horizontal axis labels, so as you can see, it is 100 phone, 101 headphones, and it looks like this. Phone, 100, 101 headphones, and it doesn't really look very good at all, so I really just want the headphones, phone, charger, everything like that, but minus the item number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the edit on the horizontal category axis type labels. And as you can see right here, this is where the Excel graph is taking the data from. So it's taking it from both columns, so it thinks that this entry should be 100 phone. But all I really wanted to say is just phone. So I'm going to make it phone and go all the way down. I'm just going to click the whole, or select the whole unit type column, minus the header, not unit type. I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to click OK again. And so here is the chart. So let's just clean it up a little. This legend we don't really need at all. Let's say that we want to add some labels, data labels to this graph to spice it up a little bit. So we're going to right click on the column. We're going to do add labels, and there you have it. It's already there. We can move them around like so, put them over here, and a line will attach to them, so just in case they're in a tough spot to see, we can move them. Say they're in the middle of this line, it's a little hard to see, like right here. We can just move them up a bit. Another thing that we can do is we can change the title. We can say revenue per, let's just say revenue per unit type. And so this chart it's not filled out very well. The bars are pretty spaced. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to right click on the bar again, and I'm going to go down to Format Data Series. I'm going to click that, and this little pop-up is going to come up over here, and the gap width will just, it's pretty much just, gap width pretty much is just how much space is between these two columns, or all of the columns. So I'm going to knock this down to, let's say, like 50. So the charts, the bars are pretty fat, and we can see them. And yeah, there you go. There is an Excel chart from a data set.